Hi guys, welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to cook steak and cheese subs. This is another meal on a budget recipe. So for this recipe you will need steak and cheese, which was on sale at Food Lion, buy one get one free. I also use baby bella mushrooms. I have provolone cheese, green pepper and onion, and I also have sub rolls. So let's get started. I'm gonna start off with my steak. If I can get it open here. So they look like this. That's how they look. And we're just gonna load them up in our pan. I'm gonna turn my eye on 5. And we're just gonna stack them up here because they're gonna cook down anyhow. And the last one. So we're gonna cook these down. You can also break them. It look like a lot, but once it cooked down, it's really not a lot. So we're just gonna allow that to cook down a little bit. Our steaks is starting to cook. They're gonna soften up while I'm able to chop it with the spatula. now at this point, I'm just going to add my seasoning and my other ingredients because I want everything to cook together. So I have here some garlic powder. Gonna add a little garlic powder. A little onion powder. A little black pepper. And a little salt. Next, I'm going to add my green peppers and onions. And I'm going to wash my mushrooms and I'm going to add my mushrooms. So I washed my mushrooms, so I'm just gonna add my mushrooms. And I'm just gonna let everything cook all together. If your mushrooms are really big, then you just take your spatula and just cut them up. Or you could cut them up before you add them in with the rest of the stuff. Your choice. I'm just going to allow this to cook down. Now that our steak, mushrooms, green peppers, and onions has cooked down, I'm just going to strain the grease off of it. Now that I have strained all the grease off my steak, I have it in a bowl here. So next, all we're gonna do is get our bread. Up this way, or you can just pull the top off. Okay. Take your fork or spoon and add you a good amount of steak on there. Let's try a spoon. If you like mayonnaise, mustard, or whatever condiments that you like to add on your steak, this is the time you can add it now if you like. So I have a good amount of steak on there. Now I'm going to take my cheese. I like provolone, so I have the provolone cheese. Cut it in half. Lay half here and half here, and I'm just gonna place it in my oven, or if you have a toaster oven, you can place it in your toaster oven, and just to melt the cheese. Our steak and cheese has came out of the oven. Our cheese is melted. Our bread is nice and toasted. So I just place mine in the oven, because on a piece of stone here that I have here, a piece of stone, and I put it on broil on low for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the cheese was melted and the bread was nice and toasted. There you have it, steak and cheese, meal on a budget. This is a great meal you can serve with chips or fries on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed my video of my steak and cheese meal on a budget. This recipe is a good, easy recipe for any day during the week. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye.